packed my bags last night, pre-flight.
Guys, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing a Moon unboxing. Now, I got this like I believe 3 weeks ago. This should have happened on that same exact week. I should have done the unboxing, but like I said, I haven't really had time to actually watch it. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys today, and just because I want to get my thoughts in it, and I want to show you what you guys get in the package and all that. And I really think this cover was really cool, so I had to do an unboxing for it. And I realized when I went up, searched on YouTube a Moon unboxing, that there was some other kid that did it, but he really didn't. He did a good job, but you know, it just wasn't. He didn't go in detail with it. So I figured let me go in detail with it, because I really think this movie should get a proper unboxing. So yeah, the title of the name is called Moon. This is a Sony Entertainment picture. The director is, if you guys didn't know, is David Bowie's son. I don't know his name, so if you guys know his name, please on the comments below, please tell me the director's name, because I don't remember the director's name. I think actually, maybe it says on here, Sam Rockwell. Maybe that's the director. If I'm wrong, maybe that could be the actor. I'm probably wrong, but guys, let me know on the comments. So that would be really appreciated. So yep, as you can see, this is the front of the box. This is the back of it. It's full 1080p, and this is the side of it. This is what the side looks like. That's what the side looks like. And it says Sony Pictures Classic. They gave this movie a really good star rating, 4 extraordinary, and they say it looks amazing on Blu-ray. But we'll see about that. I mean, I can't wait to unbox this. So, take my trusty knife and hold this. Cut myself. Be careful with the knives, people. You don't want to cut yourself on YouTube. Even though if I cut myself, I'd probably still put it up on YouTube, I think. But, yeah. Oh, shrink wrap. And like they say, you got all these stupid little plastic things. Yeah. I figured let me do another unboxing, because, I mean, I'm getting good views on them, and I like doing the unboxings of the movies. I'm planning on doing another unboxing pretty soon for God of War 3, so if you guys haven't checked, if you guys really want to see an unboxing, and I'm going to do an intro on the beginning of the game, so you guys look out for that one. But yeah. Oh, okay. It's only one disc. But, like I said, that's a pretty cool disc. That's what the disc looks like. That's the back of it. And you can see my computer. So yeah, put that down a little bit. If you guys can see the cover art is really detailed. It's got the spaceship thing, like the little thing they use from the moon. I don't know what that's called, but yeah, it's got a nice little ship thing. And then on the side, it's got the Earth. That's pretty cool. I like when Sony gives pictures like this, and with any Blu-ray, I really like when they do things like that. When they actually design the cover art really nice. That's a picker up for me when someone designs a cover art like that, and especially even the cover art for the movie. I mean, I really like details like that. It really makes me like the movie even more, to tell you the truth. I like when cover arts are nice designed, and they do good detail with them, especially for the front too. The cover art, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like of an eye grabber, if you guys can see that. But yeah, special features. It has commentary with the writer and the director, so that's pretty cool. Duncan Jones and the producers and the producer. Commentary with the writer and the director for more of that. It's got also photography of how they did the picture and all that, so that's pretty cool. In the making of Moon, that's actually really nice. I would like to see that. And the creating the visuals and more. So you get a good hefty package with this movie. They do a really good job with the features and movie. I mean, I'll have to see it tonight. I'm gonna watch it tonight, but I feel let me just do an unboxing. So yeah, guys, that's all I have for this unboxing. But if you guys want to check out Moon, they have it on Amazon, Best Buy, you know, your local stores who sells Blu-rays. I believe this movie is roughly 20 bucks, 30 bucks. Some prices vary. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching my unboxing, and thank you for rating, commenting, and also if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe. You guys have a nice one, and I will see you in the next unboxing.
We used to love